So, good morning, 11th class. We are to start the revision of Tuple chapter, okay? So, before I start the revision, I would like to know from you people what you know about Tuple. Who will tell? If you are to explain the meaning of tuple to a layman, how you will define what is a tuple? एक लेमैन को आप कैसे समझा सकते हो कि टपल क्या है? यस प्लीज. रिद्धि हैज रेज हैंड. यस रिद्धि.
टप्पल में वो राउंड ब्रैकेट्स में होता है और वो एक इम्यूटेबल है जिसमें हम उसको चेंज, कोई भी हमने जो लिखा है उसको हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते.
Tuple basically is a sequence or an object in Python that consists of intermixed type of elements enclosed in the round brackets. I have a variable t. I initialize it with some values. Okay. Enclosed in round brackets. Right now, this T is a tuple. In this tuple, which I have created in front of you, you can very well see that it has the intermix elements. Some are integer, some are float, some are strings. Enclosed in the round bracket. Now I press the enter key and I print the name of the tuple T, and the tuple is displayed in front of you. Tuple has similarity with the list. List is also intercollection of elements of different type. Tuple is also collection of elements of different type. Difference is list elements are enclosed in the square bracket. Tuple elements are enclosed in the round bracket. List was mutable in nature. By the word mutable, we mean that list elements, you can assign the new value, you can update the new value to the existing values at the same location, at the same place. Tuples are immutable in nature, means you cannot perform the assignment operation in place. Okay, like if I want to say T of 1, T of 1 पे क्या पड़ा है 2, वहां पर मैं कर दूं 6. It is not possible. Python doesn't allow it. Error has come because tuple object does not support the item assignment. यही अगर list होती, very easily I would have modified the value, because list being the mutable data type. Then just as list has indexing, tuple also has indexing. Tuple also has indexing. Same positive index and negative index. That is the forward and the backward. Clear? Now, if I say A equal to just 2 empty round bracket, this is empty tuple. This is empty tuple. Now, if I create a tuple with one value, you have to put a comma over here in order to represent it as a tuple. If your tuple has only one value, you have to put comma there and there in order to represent the tuple structure. If you are not putting comma, it will be treated as just simple integer. It will be treated as simple integer. If you want to treat it as a tuple, put comma over here. Now it will be treated as tuple. Okay? Just as using the list constructor, we used to create the list from other type of sequences, from other type of objects. You can also use tuple as a constructor in order to construct the tuple from other sequences, from other objects. For example, I have a list X, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a list X. Now I am creating tuple T equal to tuple constructor function. I pass list X as the parameter in the tuple function and assign the result to the variable T. When I print the T, the given sequence has been converted into tuple. The given sequence has been converted into tuple. You have one name. I put this name in tuple function. I print P. Check it out. P is acting as a tuple. P is acting as a tuple. Am I clear to all? Any doubt, any queries up till here? All right. Now the basics which are in the list, the same basics are available in the tuple. But right now I would like to make a big tuple now. (19, 18, 20). Then I have 10. Okay. I print tuple here. Or all right. Now, just as in the list you have concatenation operation and replication operation, similar operations are available in tuple also. Okay, but the conditions are still the same. For performing the concatenation, it is very much required that both the objects must be of tuple type, and if you are applying the replication, one must be tuple type, second must be integer. I show you. I have a tuple 1, 2, 3. I have one more tuple 4, 5, 6. I combine these two tuples C equal to A plus B and I say C. Check it out. All of you please check it out. Hurry up please. Any doubt? The same concept that you were doing in the list. Okay, no change. Now, if you try to concatenate the tuple with some integer value, Python will generate an error. Okay. Now second is replication. I have C into 2. C was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So twice I have replicated. I replicated twice. Here, if you will give this example, C into A. C भी tuple है, A भी tuple है. You cannot multiply two tuples together. You cannot multiply two tuples together. So this indicates an error. Am I clear to all? 11th class, up till here, am I clear, bache? So if you want to replicate, one object must be sequence, other must be integer. Clear? Now I go with the slicing and you will tell me the answer. Slicing to aapko pata hi hai. Sub string or sub part from the main part. T2:5. This is your tuple T. This is your tuple T, and I have given the slice 2:5. 13, 12, 14. 2, 3, 4. 5 is not included because in slice, you know, lower limit is included, higher limit is not included. अच्छा, इसका आंसर बताओ. 1:8. 1:8. Yes, who will tell the answer? Hurry up, please, be fast. Who will tell? Please be very fast. Yes, Ashutosh, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. 12, 13, 12, 14, 15, 16, and 12.
Oh, I have to click here. Yeah. Okay. Starting from 1 and moving till 8, but it is not 8, it is 8 minus 1, that is till 7. Tuple T bracket colon 9. Just colon and 9. Yes, Mayank.
Sir, 11, 12, 13, 12, 14, 15, 16, 12, 17.
Tell me the reason for it. मैंने lower limit नहीं दी.
Sir, वो फिर zero index से start होगा.
When the lower limit is not there, it starts from the first number, the zero index by default. Okay. T5 colon 5 colon. Yes. Who will tell the answer? Himanshu, unmute yourself.
Sir, 15, 16, 15, 16, 12, 17, 18, 19, 18, 20, 10.
आप सीधा बोल देते starting from 5th till last.
Yes, sir.
Why till last?
सर क्योंकि सर अब हम अपर लिमिट नहीं देते तो वो सीधा लास्ट तक
Yes.
जाएगा.
When upper limit is not given, when higher limit is not given, it will go till end by default. Okay. What about this? 2 colons. Yes, Yuvraj.
सर ब्लैंक आएगा.
Why blank? The entire tuple
सर
will
हमने
come.
लिमिट दी नहीं.
हाँ, तो सारा टपल आएगा. Blank क्यों आएगा? The
अच्छा, ठीक है सर.
the entire tuple will come. Okay. All right. 10 colon. 10 colon. Yes, please. Yes, Riddhi. रिद्धि अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
सर ये 10 से शुरू होके 13 तक मतलब अपने लास्ट तक जाएगा।
ओके नाइस। टी now I have -8 colon -2 -8 colon -2. Yes please hurry up. -8 colon -2. Who will tell? Yes Riddhi.
सर ये 16 12 17 18 19 18 लिस्ट पे होगा।
ये देखो ठीक है, क्लियर है। So that was about your slicing. Okay, now I type one program here of tuple. Now मेरा program क्या है? I have a tuple list of elements. Okay, and if my element is multiple of 5, it should get increment by 2, otherwise it should get decrement by 3. Okay, but in tuple we know we cannot do the assignment, so we have to do it indirectly. How? First you take tuple, this is my tuple. Okay, first of all I print the original tuple. I print here T, right? Then I have to place the condition over here. To find the length of tuple by using the len function, the same function which we use in the list. While, or you can say for I in range x, I in range x. ठीक है, क्लियर। अब क्योंकि मैंने बोला टप्पल में हम असाइनमेंट नहीं कर सकते, तो हमें उसको लिस्ट में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा। सो व्हाट आई हैव डन हियर, यूजिंग L इक्वल टू लिस्ट ऑफ T। ये देखो लिस्ट फंक्शन यूज करके मैंने अपने टप्पल को लिस्ट बना दिया। I have made my tuple as list. Okay, now it will run. Now will it do the assignment? Yes, come with your answers. I have converted my tuple into list. Now can you do the assignment? Yes. If L of I modulus 2 equal to 0, then what you are to do? L of I equal to L of I multiply 2. अगर वो 5 का मल्टीपल आई हैव टू फाइंड। अगर वो 5 का मल्टीपल है तो उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, अदरवाइज उसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो। Check it. If your element of list is multiple of 5, multiply the element with 2, otherwise multiply the element with 3. Print. Now here you will get the new list. After these operations, you will get a new list. Convert the list into tuple by using tuple function. Okay. Clear to all? Today is 21st, 1/22, tuple program 1. Check it. Output आपके सामने है. Check it, all of you. Yes, please. Is it clear to all? कुछ नहीं किया हमने टपल को लिस्ट में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, लिस्ट में चेंजेस करके दोबारा उसको टपल बना दिया. क्लियर? All right. Oh, I have closed the Python. Just a minute. All right. Now let us start the various methods of tuple. T equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 2, 7, 8, 2, 10. First method which we are going to do in the tuple is length method. Already you have done so many times. It is used to find the length of the object. It is used to find the length of the object, that how many total elements are there. Then you have max function. Max function of tuple is the same as the max function of list. It will display the highest value. And what is the highest value? 10. Then main tuple. Main tuple will print the minimum value among the tuple. That is the 1. That is 1. Okay. So this is the main method, right? Next we have sum method. Sum bracket में tuple pass करो. ये tuple के सारे elements का sum करके display करवा देगा. It will sum up all the elements of tuple and will generate the result. Okay. Then is index method. Okay, what was the role of index method in list? Who will tell? What was the role of index method into the list? Yes, Devanshi.
Sir, index method was used to tell the location or the index of the element of the particular element of list.
Yes, very right. T dot index 2 1. जो 2 एलिमेंट है वो इस टपल में बहुत बार रिपीट हो रहा है. जो 2 एलिमेंट है वो इस टपल में मल्टीपल टाइम रिपीट हो रहा है. What index method do? It checks for the first occurrence of the element. First occurrence कहां पे हुई है? इधर. और इसका इंडेक्स क्या है? 1. First occurrence of that value happens to be at first index, so it has print the value. Okay. Now I have T dot index 11. Index problem. Index not in the tuple. Index problem. Okay, clear? All right. Then I have T dot index bracket 21. I am to find index of 21. 21 is not here. Again, error. Okay. T dot index bracket 11. Oh, sorry. I have T dot index bracket 10. 11th index. ये रहा 10. 11th index. Am I clear? Yes, please. Then is count method. Okay, what is the role of count method in the list? What is the role of count method in the list? Yes, Harnoor Kaur.
Sir, to count the elements in a particular list or tuple.
To count the occurrence of the element कि एक element कितनी बार occur हो रहा है, frequency of the element. If I say t dot count bracket 2 4, the element 2 is appearing 4 times. 1 2 3 4. The element 2 is occurring 4 times. Okay, clear? What if you try to find the element? You try to find the element which does not exist. Python raises 0. It doesn't raise any error, but by default, 0 value has come. Clear to everyone? All right. Now, next we have is the sorted method of tuple. I have a tuple A equal to 5, 3, 4, 2, 1, 7, 10, 9. Right? And just a minute, class. Okay, I say X equal to sorted A. Okay, what will happen? Who will explain this command? What will happen when I will give this command? Please hurry up. Come with your answers. Yes, class. What will happen when I will give this command? Yes, Yuvraj.
और एक अलग टपल फॉर्म हो जाएगा असेंडिंग ऑर्डर सॉर्टेड वे में.
I print X over here. It get sorted in ascending order. A new tuple will be created which will have the sorted result from the previous object. Clear to all? And if I say D equal to sorted comma A comma reverse equal to true. Okay. What will happen now? Yes, Harnoor Kaur.
Yes, sir, can you please repeat the question?
What will happen when I will give this command, which is there, D equal to sorted A reverse equal to true?
सर इसमें एलिमेंट्स रिवर्स हो जाएंगे जैसे
डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में आ जाएंगे. Check it. It will print in descending order. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, any queries up till here? Okay. Then is we have tuple method. Okay, tell me which methods are common between list and tuple. Which methods are common between list and tuple? Yes, Devanshi. The method which are common. Devanshi, unmute yourself and tell me. Devanshi, your voice is not audible to me, bache. Please unmute. Yes, yes.
The common methods of list and tuple are max, min, sum, count, sorted, sort.
Sort. Sort works in tuple.
No, sir, sorry. Sort is not there.
Sort is not there.
Index.
Sorted is there. Sorted is there, not sort. Index, count, length, max, mean, sum, sorted. Okay, clear? All right.
Yes, sir.
Now see, I'm going to do one thing here. T equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. When you make elements of a tuple, that is called packing. That is called packing. But when you create individual variables from tuple, that is called unpacking. अगर आप A प्रिंट करोगे A1 प्रिंट होगा, B प्रिंट करोगे B2 प्रिंट होगा, C प्रिंट करोगे C3 प्रिंट होगा, 4 प्रिंट D प्रिंट करोगे D4 प्रिंट होगा. This is unpacking. This is packing. Collecting elements in the square bracket to make a tuple is packing. Then creating the value for the variables from tuple is unpacking. There is one very important condition of unpacking. The condition is the number of variables on the left hand side must be equal to the number of values in the tuple. The number of variables on the left hand side should be equal to the number of elements enclosed in the tuple. यहां पे 4 वैल्यूज हैं तो यहां पे 4 वेरिएबल होने चाहिए, यहां पे 6 हैं तो यहां पे 6 वेरिएबल्स होने चाहिए. This is called unpacking. Now I have a question over here. T equal to 11, 22, 33, 44. I want to modify the element lying at second index of tuple from 33 to 55. Yes, please. I want to modify the element lying at second index. Yes, Devanshi.
Sir, by using the method of packing and unpacking.
First, I convert it into
Unpack the elements.
list. Okay, लिस्ट में कन्वर्ट कर लो.
Yes.
एक ये भी एक मेथड है, जो आप कह रहे हो वो भी मेथड है, ये भी एक मेथड है. तो लिस्ट को मैंने प्रिंट कराया. अब लिस्ट का सेकंड एलिमेंट क्या था? 33. मुझे क्या बनाना है? 55. लिस्ट में तो मैं असाइनमेंट कर सकता हूं ना. I can assign element in, I can update element in the list. Okay, now what I have done, I print the list. Now from this modified list, I again make a tuple. Got it? Clear? Have I made myself clear? Any doubt? All right.